In today's fast-paced workplace, every second counts. When it comes to emergencies, CPR and AED training are more just skills, they're a workplace necessity. Let's explore why CPR and AED training should be a fundamental part of your workplace safety. CPR and AED training are about empowering your workforce with life-saving abilities. Here are the key reasons why it's workplace necessity. Immediate response to cardiac emergencies saves lives. Compliance with workplace safety regulations. Minimizing downtime due to the medical emergencies. Enhancing employee confidence and safety. So in your workplace, it is about being prepared for the unexpected, and that means knowing how to respond to cardiac emergencies. It's about having the skills to make a difference. CPR and AED training is not just a choice, it's a responsibility to your employees' safety and well-being. Because in your workplace, every life matters.